Hey guys, we have a disturbance in the middle of the track.
Looks like a serious turtle.
Hello fans of Hennessey Performance, thank you for tuning in and watching this video. My name is Alex, we're on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track, and I'm in a 2021 Ram TRX. The king of trucks has arrived, and of course we are going to be turning this baby up. We've got 900 and 1000 horsepower available, we've got a 6x6 available, and more to come, so stay tuned for all the great content. But for today, I'm going to be racing it against a stock C8 Corvette. And we're going to compare it just stock for stock and see how the heck it does. 495 horsepower rear-wheel drive versus all-wheel drive 702 horsepower. Let's just see what happens. There's not much more to say.
I smell like turtle now.
Exactly. Good race. I think we had a pretty even start, but honestly the fact that a TRX truck can be pretty competitive with a C8 Corvette, that's unreal.
Yeah, I was getting worried for a second.
So the C8 Corvette is rear-wheel drive, but honestly it gets out of the hole so well that it might as well be all-wheel drive. I mean, they just go, and man, so does this thing. This thing just goes. This just makes me even more excited after it's modified with the Mammoth 1000 package to be able to come out here, do the same race, and beat the C8 Corvette through and through for the whole race. Let's just do one more run just like that, and I think we can call it a wrap.
Sounds good.
A four-door truck. That's crazy. Really impressive. Same result, but I mean still the fact that a four-door big old truck can put up a really good fight and maybe even stoplight to stoplight beat a C8, that's pretty sick. So I think let's call that one a wrap.
Let's go, baby.